So hi all, I hope all of you are doing good and all of you might have given exam for beginner skill 1 and 2. Guys, this exam was very important because unless you do not pass this exam, there is no point of giving DCA Java and DCA Python. So guys, we are going to discuss all the insights about this exam, like the level of question, the question was easy, moderate, what people said after giving the exam. We will also discuss that some people got warning during the exam, what will happen to them. We have conducted one survey in which we have asked that how many questions you think you have attempted correctly by different people in our Telegram group. I will show that survey to you. It will give you an idea about the exam results. We will also discuss the expected cutoff and result date. Okay guys, before we move ahead, please do subscribe the channel, please like this video so that it will be reachable to all the people who are concerned with this topic. Guys, if we talk about the level of questions, then this exam was conducted for the first time. Okay, so most of the topic were unknown to everybody. Okay, so we can say that the level of the question can be from easy to moderate. Okay, there were two kinds of question, multiple select questions and multiple choice questions. Okay, so MCQ was easy because only one answer you have to correct, but in MSQ you have to correct multiple answers. So if you look at this question, then you can see here they have given multiple answers to tick, but let's suppose the answer is C and D and you have ticked only D, so you will get 50% marks, like 0.5 out of 1. Okay, let's suppose this question has 4 correct answers, then they will divide 1 marks into 0.25. Let's suppose you tick 2 correct answers, then you will get 0.5 marks. Now if you look at the multiple choice questions, then most of the questions were easy. You can correct it by using your common sense. Like you can see here, a secondary school math teacher was not able to give correct idea about the math concepts, so they were not able to perform good in science class. So they are asking, this is an example of which of the following not carried out well. Obviously the answer is knowledge transfer, because the math teacher was not able to transfer the knowledge in correct way to the students. So most of the questions you can correct it by using your common sense. Okay, so I hope you got the idea about the level of questions. Now our next topic is some people got warnings during the exam. So guys, I have already told you that please do not do malpractice. If you are doing it, then do it wisely. So let's suppose you got 2 warnings, then that is okay. Up to 2 warnings, no issues. Okay, after 2 warnings, then they will create some problem. Talk about our third topic, that is survey of how many questions attempted by different people. So guys, if you can look at here, then you can find that around 60% of people have corrected more than 40 questions correctly. You can see here 50 plus 20%, 45 plus 23%, 40 plus 28%. So around 60% people have corrected questions more than 40% in base skill 1. This might give you an idea that question was easy, difficult or whatever. Okay, now if you look at business skill 2, then you can find that there also more than 60% people are getting more than 40 correct answers. Okay, so if more than 60% people are getting more than 40 correct answers, then this is a good sign. Our next topic is expected cutoff. So guys, if you look at the number of questions, the number of questions were 60. Okay, so if you calculate 70% of that, then that will come around 42. So let's suppose you have corrected 42 questions, then there is 100% chance that you will qualify for this exam. There might be second criteria. Let's suppose very few people have scored more than 42. So in that case, they will decrease the cutoff. Now when the results will be declared. So guys, the people who have given exam for T1 to T9, their results declared on Friday, last Friday. Their exam was conducted from 31st of May to 5th of June. By looking at that case, we can expect the result around next week, like Monday or Tuesday. Okay.